Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create this fun little rainbow clown. So I'm jumping in first off with my Morphe Coconut White Liner, and I'm using this one to line out the triangles, one above each eyebrow and one below each lower waterline of the eye. Try your best to make them look even on each side, but don't stress if they aren't completely perfect. I'm also using that white pencil at this stage to draw a little circle on the end of my nose, as well as lining the lips, and I'm going to line outside the lips just to create a larger mouth, and also ending my lips up on my cheeks with a little flick upwards. Now I'm jumping in with my Morphe and James Charles palette, and I'm using this light blue color and the red from this palette. I'm also using my Sugar Pill Cosmetics green and my Sugar Pill Cosmetics orange, yellow, and purple. James Charles does have all of these colors in his palette. I just prefer the ones from Sugar Pill for the brightness of the rainbow that I'm trying to create today. So I'm using these eyeshadows, and I'm going to start with the lightest being yellow, and I'm just going to apply it over the lower section of one of those triangles, as well as starting from the middle of the lips and just taking up about 1/3 on one side, and just a little area on the nose as well. And just a quick coffee break here, thumbs up if you love coffee. So basically now I'm just taking each color of the rainbow and going over those lines until we've got every color down and they're all blended nicely together, and just giving each color about 1/3 on each of the lines. And again, try and keep these as neat as you can, but really don't stress too much if they do end up going a little bit out of the lines or being a little bit uneven. We're going to make it look a little bit neater with the black face paint shortly. Okay, so at this stage I'm taking my black edge face paint from Meron, and I'm using this on a very thin brush just to start lining inside those colours that we've just placed down. And I'm going to almost overlap the colours slightly, just so that there's no skin showing in between the black face paint and the colours. And I'm going to do this on the lips, the nose, and around those triangles on the eye. And once I've finished lining them, I'm also going to fill them in using that black face paint as well. Next, I'm taking my black liquid liner from the Quick Flick, and I'm using this one to line the top lash lines as well as creating a little winged eyeliner. And then I'm jumping in with this black eyeshadow from the Morphe and James Charles eyeshadow palette, and I'm just applying this one over the entire eyelid. Not in any particularly neat way, it's just to try and darken up around the eyes to sort of blend into those triangles. And I'm just applying a couple of layers of that eyeshadow until it's nice and dark. Then I'm grabbing my white eyeliner pencil from Napoleon Perdis, and I'm using this one to line the lower waterline on each eye and just extending that out from the inner corner downwards towards the bridge of the nose, just to create a nice elongated eye shape. Once I've done that, I'm taking my black face paint once again and just lining directly underneath that white line that I've just extended out from my lower waterline. Then I'm taking some black mascara from Tarte Cosmetics and applying this over my top lashes on both eyes. And then jumping in with my Model Rock lash glue and my Triple Wispies lashes, and just applying those just to the outer corner on each eye to give the eye a little bit of lift. And then taking my Meron Edge face paint in white this time on a very thin brush, I'm just going to apply that in a little line and a dot on the nose, the top of the lips, and also the bottom of the lips, ensuring to do this all on the same side, as it gives the illusion that there is a shine coming from somewhere and giving us a nice little reflection on the shiny part of the face. Finishing off the look with my favorite part, contact lenses. I'm using a blue and a white for this look. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this one today. Don't forget to follow me for all my new looks coming up soon.